Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajilla Conrad Sangma mentar sngi ka arpu sau Tarik Nailar haja arpu hendeu ke bede sngi basdang ya ka dorbar senrai hapu ka yeng dorbar thawan Kajilla uloong ba sorkar jila kala shim khya bha ban lei ei mador halor ka jingja balaja ha khat khanai Tarik Nailar haja arpu hendeu ke bala mi ka jing kulmar ba ka jing sha kawang mau ki kali Assam ba ka jing sha Thombor kinong ya lenti ha ka por badan ka jing ya rally ka KSU da ka thok ba ra lamayong Kularu yaki khot ka yeng dorbar bat ki pat ba ka jilla ba sorkar kan shim ya baro ki sen jam banom e shadien ban pentikna ba ki badan kti hakri ka kam Thombor kin sha penchitom kat kum kaan Conrad ulu thu bala I thu dur khmat ya sangut ki brio ki bala ka dur khmat ya lade hakri ka sngi ki badan kti hakri ka jingja bat na kini ki sangut ladab ban yokem ya uwei ladab ban penrung ru khat santali ki FIR Bala Pentrikam da Kamigala Maintenance of Public Order Act.
Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 19th of August 2026, a black flag bike rally by the KSU was undertaken. On approval of the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, with an undertaking from the KSU that the bike rally would be peaceful. However, during the rally, some miscreants indulged in violent acts, including pelting stones at 31 vehicles and attacking innocent bystanders, which included 8 vehicles from Assam with Assam registration. 18 people were injured and all were taken for medical attention to Shillong Civil Hospital. On the same night, the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the KSU were arrested under various sections of the BNSS, and the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act was invoked. 15 FIRs have been filed so far in connection with the incident on 19th of August 2026. 5 masked persons have so far been identified as being involved in the incident of 19th August 2026, particularly in the attacks on Assam registered vehicles. One of them has been already arrested. The government of Meghalaya has constituted a special investigation team to identify and investigate all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for attacks on Assam registered vehicles, and to ensure their prosecution in accordance with law. The SIT is headed by the IG Law and Order. Further, to ensure normalcy between Assam and Meghalaya, a joint meeting was held on the 22nd of August 2026 between the two delegations headed by Deputy CM Meghalaya and Senior Cabinet Minister from Assam, Shri Atul Boraji, and Deputy CM, Shri Snobalang Dharji, which was attended by the respective Chief Secretaries and senior officials. Based on the meeting, the road blockade at Jorabat by the Assam associations was called off, leading to resumption of normalcy in the movement of essential commodities across the state. A dedicated hotline between Assam and Meghalaya has been established. Permanent district level joint committees will be constituted, comprising the Deputy Commissioner Nongpo and the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup Metropolitan, along with police officers of the corresponding level from both districts, to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. A joint committee comprising the Commissioner, Secretary level transport authorities of both states, along with representatives of the Tourist Vehicle Association, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya. Further, yesterday, a meeting was chaired by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Transport with the Meghalaya Association, in which the associations agreed to withdraw the agitation which resulted in normalcy in the movement of vehicles. And the next meeting, along with the association, will take place sometime in the second week of September to further discuss other matters. Sir, also on this front, I would like to assure the members of this august House, as well as the citizens of our state, that the unfortunate incident that took place is something that the government has taken strong note of. We have been swift in the actions that have been taken by us, and we want to ensure and assure the House and the citizens of our state that the government will take all steps and leave no stone unturned to ensure that the miscreants who were involved and indulged in the violent activities will be brought to justice. Thank you, sir.